Many friends ask us how to installation the aluminum composite panel. So today I will introduce you all the accessories that used for installation of aluminum composite panels. So follow me. You see, all these accessories that you can see are used for installation of aluminum composite panels. You see, the first is V-weight guide. The second is angel aluminum cutter, silicone guide, V-weight, foam filling, silicone, aluminum tube, paper tape. So next time I will show you how to use them and how to connection them. If you are urgent for using our aluminum composite panel, you can now contact us. Contact our Oracle Wood aluminum composite panels. See you next time.